Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your iPhone contact name not showing on your incoming calling. So the first thing that you can do is simply get to the settings, and on your settings simply tap on your profile, and then from here you can tap on iCloud, get to the iCloud settings, tap on see all option right here, and then from here scroll down until you see contacts option. Make sure that it is enabled just like this. So if it is already enabled, you have to tap on it, disable it, and then tap on keep on my iPhone, and then again tap on it and enable it just like this. Tap on merge and enable your contacts just like this. This will make sure that your iCloud contacts are synced with your iPhone. So after doing that, here you can go back and then get to the main settings just like this. Scroll all the way down, then tap on apps, and then from here you'll have to now find contacts. Just like this, contacts are right here. Tap on it and open the contact settings. And from your contacts, scroll down until you see short name, tap on it, and you have to make sure that short name is enabled and preferred nicknames are also enabled just like this. So even after doing that, if it's still not working, then the next thing that you have to make sure is that your language and regions should be correct. So you can go back again on the main settings, and on the main settings, tap on general. And from your general, what you're going to do is scroll down until you see the option of language and reason, tap on it. And then in here, you can tap on reason. And currently here you can see this is my correct reason. And just like this, you have to make sure that you are on the correct reason that you are currently living in. So after doing that, if it's still not working, then what you're going to do is simply sign out of your Apple ID. So go back again and get to the main settings just like this. And then from here, tap on your account, and then here scroll down until you see sign out option. Simply tap on sign out. Just like this, your Apple ID password will be required. Simply write down your Apple ID password and then tap on turn off, and like that you'll be able to sign out of your Apple ID. And again, simply sign into your Apple ID and see if that's working or not. So if it's still not working, then another thing is to again get to the settings, scroll down, and then tap on apps. And from here, scroll down until you see contacts, tap on it. And then from here, tap on contacts account. So in here, you can see three different options. Make sure that all of them has your contacts turned on. Tap on iCloud and make sure that contacts are turned on just like this. Go back, tap on Outlook. And in here, make sure that contacts are also enabled just like this. Go back, tap on Gmail. And again, make sure that contacts are enabled just like this. So after doing that, I'm pretty sure that your contacts will be showing while incoming call. But if it's still not showing, then the last thing that you can do is simply try to reset all of your settings, for which again, get to the main settings, then tap on general, from which scroll all the way down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, then type down the passcode of your phone just like this. And then from here, all you have to do is tap on reset all settings, and all of your settings will be back to the default and none of your data will be gone. So don't worry about that. And after doing that, I'm pretty sure that your problem will be fixed. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.